Okay, Alisa opening her birthday. Bye-bye, did you give hug? Thank you so much. The boys had a hug. Okay, Alisa opening her birthday.
What is this? Do you press on it and wiggle the hair like that?
Is it? Where your step came from, Lisa?
I don't know. Look. It's a. What is this? No, it's a. If you press the button, it makes like this.
Oh, wow, look at this. It's nice.
Look.
Where did this came from, Lisa?
Look. Watch this. Watch this.
Ah, that's nice. Don't have it. So you when you go that side na.
Where did that come
This
from?
is from. I don't know.
What is this? This is from I don't know.
That's insane.
Don't open the card, I say.
Oh, Ariel.
There you
From
go.
Ariel, yeah.
Ariel.
To Alisa, have an amazing birthday love from Ariel. Wow.
The card.
Card.
What is that one?
What's that came from Lisa?
I don't know.
Alina, stop walking with using your Nina, please. It's not good. My goodness. This one from Harlow.
Oh
That one from Harlow. Wow, look at this, Lisa.
look.
Disney princess. Like this.
This is for Charlie's. This is Charlie's.
From Charlie? Missy, how you know from Charlie? How about you saw
It's a book. Is it?
It's a book, huh?
Gotta be a book.
A teacher. Because during the birthday party, it's a book as well. They gave away that, you know.
No.
From Charlie. Charlie.
Look, Lumen's no, Lumen's that.
Oh yeah, bracelet maker.
Alright.
I don't know how to do that.
How
Also,
about that one? Where that came
that's
from?
one.
Matuwa na lang tayo yung tumagupin yung mga anak natin, you know?
How is that at all?
Oh, yeah.
What does it do?
Take that.
This is called packed lunch.
Hmm?
This is packed lunch.
Where's that came from?
He wants to get out.
Oh, there's two inside. Where's this from? Happy birthday from
This is called new packed lunch. I got a packed lunch.
That's nice. Oh wow.
Look at
Where's
that.
that came from, Sam?
Mine.
Love from Eddie. Ah. This is from Eddie, Lisa.
Easy.
Magaganda naman.
And this one.
Very lucky naman, Alisa. Auntie. Oh, this one as well.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, you got hot.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
You're gonna wear that one, Lisa, on your dispo. You
Yeah.
won't get cold.
This
This is from Zammer.
She got good handwriting, though. And that one.
And we got another one here.
Oh, open
Ah, it's two from here.
it. Two beads. This is bead set. Let me guess. This is bead set.
Eddie.
It's bead set.
What she got from Eddie? B? This one and that one.
She got two sets of.
And that two. What's this one?
First.
You are 6. Oh, from Summer. Okay. Look at that.
I got a Barbie.
Oh.
Where that came from, Sam?
That's it.
Oh, Romeo. Yeah, from Romeo.
Romeo.
Romeo. Where's the other?
Right. This is. It's gonna be a bead set. Definitely. Let's get necklace set.
Ang daming mga ano na Lisa. Hindi na alam kung saan galing galing. It's your birthday, love from
So
Romeo.
I knew it.
there.
I knew it.
Oh, here, oh.
I knew it. I knew it.
Wow.
What's that one?
Alina, go this one. Mix big.
I'll do that.
Alina, go that black.
All over the place, man.
Oh, you got 2 more here, Lisa. Wow, Alisa.
Candy.
Ah, that's one from this one. From Eddie. 2 of this
I
one.
want this one. Last
You got
one.
more. No, it's open. This one, 2 more.
Hey, I'll see that. This.
There.
I'll look at this one.
Nice to see them opening presents.
Like Christmas here.
Oh yes.
What's that?
I don't know.
Anissa doesn't know.
She's so like.
It's a lot of tattoo as well. Tattoo means.
Tattoo.
Look, like this.
Yeah.
It's a lot. Oh, you're gonna have a tattoo now.
Unlimited tattoo.
Elsa. That's good. They should go to Anna so you can play Elsa and Anna.
Oh, wow. Where is this came from? Is
She
that?
go to Elsa and she go on Anna.
Nakalimutan na kung saan yung galing. Wow. Look at that. Hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na alam kung kanino galing.
Nice stuff, yeah.
Destiny. From Destiny.
Yeah, she go to Anna and Elsa now.
And then you got more. The one from.
Now give it to
You
me.
got so much present from Auntie.
They opened already, Elita.
Yeah.
What's that? Auntie?
This one.
Or Sanchez.
The cards. Sana yung.
Oh no, that's really anything.
Okay. Sit down again. I'm going to take photo all your present. Dali. Yeah. It's not Barbie. That's Frozen. This one is Barbie.
Should we open it?
Yeah.
Is that Anna or Elsa? Anna, isn't it?
Who's that one, B?
Anna.
The one in Anna Lina?
Yeah, pass it to me. I'll open it for you.
Yeah, Anna. And she got Elsa. That's good. Mm-hmm.
And you got shoes.
Mm-hmm. Are you happy, Lisa?
Yeah.
No.
I wanna open this.
Mhm.
And then when
Ganyan niya. You open it, sir? Maybe Daddy will open it for you.
I've done it.
You've done it? You have enough to eat, eh?
Me?
Hmm?
More than enough.
Yeah. That's
How
good.
do I open this?
Thank you very much, everyone. Yeah, can I have that one, Daddy, please?
Sure.
Then we get Elsa. Elsa.
Wait, magtawag muna ako ng taxi.
You guys?
Thank you, Te. Thank you very much for your effort. Ano, yung water, Te?
Ha?
Yung water. Ay,
Wala na, they come on na. Thank you.
Liquidum mix immediately you is to cook it.
Bye!
Bye, Te. Si Bye Bye, did you give hug? Bye-bye. Miss you. Miss you, Te.
Miss you din kaya.
Auntie, you carry this one that you is here?
No, it's not heavy. It's fine. Okay, nothing left. Thank you.
Oh, don't worry. It's alright.
Ingat ka, Te, ha?
Next time, it's better.
Lamig, no?
Yeah, it's
Super
very
lamig.
good.
It's very cold.
It is cold out. Cold.
Thank you, bye!
Thank you, Te. Ingat ka, Te, ha?
Napakaw ko yung kapit. Bye-bye.
Okay, you lock the door, Daddy, ha?
Yeah, I'll lock the door.
Okay, bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. Yeah, freezing cold. Are you happy, Isa, with all your
Where's my
present,
little
B?
one doll?
There, in front of you.
No,
No, not that
little
one.
doll.
The little one? I don't know.
Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, my tongue. Ang sakit ng
Where is
tongue ko.
it?
Alis na si ate. Nag-expect ako na si ate, pipick upin yun siya ni kuya. Hindi pala. Magbabas din pala siya kasi yung binili nilang ticket ay return pala. Kaya yung bus niya ay 7:05 daw. Ano date doon, darating dyan sa sa bus station. Then hinatid lang siya ni Mr. Then sasakay na yun siya ng bus. So, anyway, ayan, nandito pa, oh. Ang daming regalo ni Alisa, mga, ano ba, ang mamahalin na mga regalo ni Alisa na tanggap. Tapos yung isang Filipino yung katrabaho ko, hindi siya nagpunta. Yung manager namin kasi siguro nag-ano yan siya kasi kahapon nga, hindi din ako nagkapunta kasi birthday party din ng anak niya, may ano din sila ganap. Hindi na ako nakapunta kasi di ba kahapon by work ang mga kachika, tapos ang dami pa namin yung ginawa. Dami ko pang trabaho dito sa bahay, naglinis kasi nga may bisita kami, ganun. Maglinis-linis din naman tayo. Mga dala-dala to ni ate. Si ate talaga pag magbigay yan siya sa isa, kailangan yung isa meron din. Ganun yan siya magbigay sa mga bata. Ayan ito. Bali 5 bata hindi nagpunta sa party kasi yung dalawang na classmate niya, tapos may kapatid na babae. So, kasama na yun siya sa sa pag-total ko sa mga bata na pupunta dito sa mag-attend ng party. Tapos yung doon nga sa yung manager namin, dalawa din yung anak niya. So, total na din yun. Tapos yung isa nga bata, sabi niya napupunta siya yung doon sa vlog ko na humabol na nung isang araw lang din nag-message sa akin na darating siya sila sa birthday ni Alisa. Kaso nga lang kay ano daw yung hindi daw late na siya lang pero pupunta daw siya sa birthday ni Alisa. Kaso nga lang mga kachika kay nag-expect sila na yung party 2 to 4 p.m. Nakalimutan yata niya doon sa nakalagay naman doon sa ano ba yan, invitation letter na ano sila yung ano ba dyan 12 to 2 ganun. Sa di mga bata kanina, kaya sobra-sobra rin po. Alam nyo, nahinayang ako sa food mga kachik kasi sobrang dami pa yung mga sandwich. Yan, nandito pa nga yung iba. Yung ibang pinamigay na nasa na din to. Yun, nasayang mga kachika. Tapos yung, alam mo yun, yung ibang mga food na tapon na lang talaga kasi ayaw man din mister na iuwi dito sa bahay kasi hindi naman kami, hindi din makakain pagdating dito sa bahay. So ito na, dry na lang pala yung sandwich. Sira na naman ito. Sayang, yung iba nga pinadala ko na kay ate yung Filipina na nagpunta dito sa bahay. Pumunta na lang sila dito so yung mga drinks, marami pa. Pinamigay yung nag-assemble din ng yung nirintahan namin na inflatable na inanuhan namin yun. Pinakain din namin yung lalaki doon. Niyaya ko na kumain ka kasi marami pang food. Kumain din naman mga kachika sa niyan. Nagpasalamat din yung lalaki ba na yung nag-assemble nga, nag-assemble ng mga lahat doon na nirintahan namin. Kasi iba yung renta ng hall, hindi yun sa school mga kachika. Iba din yung inflatable, nirintahan din namin yun. Tapos yun yung may cotton candy, kasama na din yun. Separate din yun yung bayad noon. Parang extra na lang yun doon sa inflatable. Ganun. And then, yun yung ano namin lahat. Nasayang ba sa food ba? Kasi ate sabi niya, ako din day, ayaw ko din kasi magsayang-sayang ng food. Kasi alam nyo na, maraming nagugutom ngayon. Tapos masayang. Pero kaso wala na, ganun pa din. Dadalhin namin dito sa bahay, mapupuno lang yung fridge namin. Tapos, hindi din naman makakain. Kaya yung mga bata, yung mga extra na ibang ganito, pinagbibigay ko. Yung ibang mga bata, yung mga kapatid na nagpunta doon, pinamigay ko yung ibang mga ganito. Kaya, aahin pa man namin yan. Pero yan nga, tinitingnan ko kasi, meron pa kasi mga extra na mga ganito. So, palitan ko na lang ito kasi meron pa rin akong extra na ganito. Bigay ko dun sa classmate ni Alisa na yung nag-message sa akin na ganito, ganyan. Na papunta na daw dapat sila. Tapos buti na lang minisit niya yung nanay ng isa na sa classmate ni Alisa na tapat na nakakilala niya na natapos na pa daw yung party. Then, hi, I am sorry. I thought the party was 2 to 4. I was about to text you to say running late. And my friend told me, I hope Alisa had the best time. I have a gift. I will bring it to school in the morning. Thank you so much. The boys have had the best time. Ito yung yung asawa nito ay half Chinese. Yung mister niya half Chinese, half British. Tapos yung bata nito, mga anak nito puro lalaki. And then ang tawag diyan, palaging kalaro ni Lisa. Yan yung palaging yung kalaro yung anak nila na lalaki. Gustong-gusto nila yung pansit ng kachika. Hindi pa nga ako sure kanina ba. Pero yung ginawa ko sa pansit nilagay ko lang yung mga breast ng chicken, yung breast lang yung nilagay ko, tinatanggal ko yung mga buto-buto. Kasi nga, yung mga bata, kumakain din ng pansit kanina.
Pansit.
Yeah, eat pansit. You take the Yeah, you do it. Yes, come. Yan, gustong-gusto nila yung pansit. Yung may isa doon, pabalik-balik talaga sa pansit. Kaya masarap yung pansit. Mabinta din yung pansit natin sa sa birthday. Mga birthday. Yun na, si ate. Malis na, ang sarap ng cake niya. Alam nyo, siya lang yung gawa-gawa nito mga kachika. Tapos meron din siyang dalang, alam nyo na yan, pag si ate talaga yung ganyan ay expect nyo na hindi ka magugutom. Oh, pandesal. Oh, ganyan.
There's some edges on this. So I don't know how to take this off because it's too much.
I think you have to start doing it for yourself, babe, because it's not hard job. Tapos ito. Tapos gustong-gusto din nila yung cake ni ate, masarap daw. Siguro first time nila alam nyo kasi tayo kasi mahilig tayo sa mga iba-ibang flavor dito kasi parang wala silang ganyang flavor ng ng cake na binibenta sa shop. So tayo lang ganyan. Masarap daw. Masarap daw yung cake. Masarap talaga. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa ni ate ito. Kasi dito yung cake nila dry. Medyo dry. Lalo na yung nabili namin sa Sainsbury's, dry siya. Napon din namin mga kasika kasi pinamigay ko doon ng mga nanay, ayaw man din. Hindi kumuha na silang kaunti. Pinamigay ko ng marami pa din natira kasi nga siguro kung wala to, magkakain yung lahat. Kaso meron to eh. Kaya yung iba ito na lang yung kinain. Masarap kasi moist. Hindi man. Yung lasa talagang atin na cake ba? Hindi na kumakain ng pansit. That's good. Ang ganda ng ano nito mga kachika ba? Yung gift na ito, oh. Ang mahal yata nito.
At the back.
Whiteboard at the back. Wait lang, wait. Let me show you, babe. Wow, like that, oh. It's very useful. My God, ang mahal yata nito. Oh. Tapos ano pa siya? Disney.
Whoops.
It's a balukwa in there, babe. How like that?
No, Lisa, that's a whiteboard pen. Look.
Wow, look at that,
A
Lisa.
whiteboard. And
Mm.
Lisa, don't look at the back.
Mahal nito.
Lisa, look. Lisa.
Ang ganda pala nito, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang mahal yata nito.
Oh, do it.
Ganyan. Magkano kaya ito? Mayaman kasi mga musay sa mga ano dyan, may mga classmate ni Alisa, may mga pira-pira ba? Alam niyo yan. Wala pa si Mr. pero nalinis ko na yung kusina mga kachika. Kakain pa din yung kasi nagkain lang yun din siya ng pansit. Sinabayan lang niya kami pati si ate kasi si ate kumain din yan ba? Kumain din yun siya bago pinakain namin na dinner pero kaunti kasi nga ano daw pinagda-diet daw yun siya ng doktor ba. Hindi alam niyo na yung tumatanda na din, marami ng mga bawal-bawal, ganun. Pero hindi naman daw siya high blood, hindi naman daw din daw siya ano yung cholesterol niya okay naman daw, normal din naman daw. Yeah, it's very good that one for learning.
Yeah, I like colors present. It's nice, Lisa. It's so nice.
Very nice.
You can do learning on it.